Yeah, real schoolgirl stuff, real schoolgirl stuff. You know. Flyest girl walking the halls, period. Who's gonna tell me otherwise? Nobody, exactly. It's good morning, you guys. Hey. I know I look a mess. I look like a fish. I just look, whew, I look busted, okay? I know. But whatever, that's how we all are in the morning. Yeah, I can't believe I really look like this right now. Like, I look a mess. I don't even know how I'm even still recording, but whatever. But yeah, y'all, this video is basically a realistic morning routine of a senior in high school, you know, class of 2020. We lit. Yeah, don't mind my nail. My nail is broken, you know, it happens, or whatever. Yo, why all these rolls on my neck? Yeah. But anyway, so I'm about to get up and, you know, do what it do or whatever. My nails messing on this hand too. Okay, y'all. Okay, I know I need my nails done. And calm down. Don't even do all of that. Okay. Oh my god, why are my eyes just so puffy? That's what I hate about in the mornings. My eyes be so puffy. Let me stop. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get up. So hey you guys, I'm in my bathroom now or whatever, but I don't know if I should face the camera to the mirror or face it to me. I don't know. Which one looks better? Let's see. I'll do both. I don't care. I'll do both, I guess. But yeah, I was about to just get into brushing my teeth and taking a shower and doing what I do. You know, the basic morning routine stuff. You know how it go. Brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get ready. So yeah, I'm about to do that. So I'm getting the stuff I use to brush my teeth. Just in case you were wondering, even though nobody asked, this is the toothpaste that I use. Oh, why it's not focusing? I do like focus it with my mouth, but yeah, this is the toothpaste I use. No, it's bad. And you know, you gotta get the floss. Don't just be out here brushing your teeth and not flossing, okay? Okay, y'all, so before I get into brushing my teeth, you know, I gotta set the mood and put on some music. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to connect my phone to this speaker because it's always acting stupid and not connecting. Even though I use it all the time, so like, damn. But whatever. What song should I play, y'all? What song should I play? You know what song I'm playing? I'm gonna play this new song that I found out about. It's called Headliner, and I got this song from, if I don't know about y'all, but me, I like to watch little stripper vlogs, and my favorite ones to watch are Flex the Reaper and Pretty Boy XO. If y'all know who they are, then comment, okay? And I was watching Pretty Boy XO one, right? And then she was playing this song, and she was like, this is the song that she plays to like get her day started, and I really like the song, so you know, I'm gonna go and listen to that. But yeah, you guys, this is the song. It's called Headliner by June. You know, Pretty Boy XO put me on, you know, period. But yeah, of course I can't play it right now. Ooh. But yeah, of course I can't play it right now because I'm gonna get copyrighted. So I'm gonna just put on some other music and just fast forward through me brushing my teeth. Okay y'all, so now I'm about to get in the shower, and in the shower is where I do my little skincare routine, because anytime I do it at my sink, I always get water all over the place and it just gets messy. So to, you know, not have that happen, I just do everything else in the shower. Okay y'all, before I get into my shower, like, y'all get into my little shower curtain. It's so cute, right? If you don't know, I love stuff that's like holographic. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I gotta get it, I gotta get it. Who you know got a holographic shower curtain? I'll wait. Now let me stop playing with y'all for real. Let me get into my shower.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the
I just got out the shower. I did my skincare routine, and right now my face, well, my face is wet right now, but as soon as it dries, then my skin is gonna be very, very dry. But because of that, I like to moisturize with this oil. This is some vitamin E oil by Jason. And also I like to mix it in with this Pond's for dark spots. But I don't know what I'm gonna do next, because I have a set routine when it comes to getting up and coming in the bathroom. But after that, it really just depends on how I feel. Sometimes I like to go straight into picking up my outfit. Sometimes I'll pick up my outfit the night before and just go straight to doing my hair and putting on my lashes and stuff. But right now I did it, but last night I didn't pick out my outfit, so I have to go and find one. But I don't know what I'm gonna do first, either find the outfit or do my hair and my lashes. So we just gonna see what happens. Whatever happens, happens. But yeah, I'm gonna moisturize my face. But y'all, I'm not gonna moisturize my body, okay? I hate putting lotion on my body. I don't know why. Comment if you're the same way, but I hate lotion on my skin. I don't know. I just rather be ashy than have lotion on me. So the only time I'll put on lotion is if I'm actually showing, you know, my legs, then I'll put on lotion on my legs. Or if I'm showing my arms, then I'll put on lotion on my arms. But really, I just normally just put on lotion on my hands, because that's the only thing people see. Because it's actually cold here, so I've just been wearing jeans and pants and jackets and long sleeves. So it's like, why put on lotion if nobody's gonna see that part? So yeah, I'm staying ashy, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I like to do. I don't care. When you scared of the dark, so you gotta sleep with a nightlight on. Y'all comment below if y'all scared of the dark too and gotta sleep with a nightlight on, because I don't play about the dark. So y'all, tell me how I fell back asleep and forgot all about the video. But anyways, it's about 8 o'clock right now, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to go get me something to eat. I'm about to give me some cereal, I think. I got some Special K. For some reason, I just stopped eating like the little sweet kind of cereal, because one day I just went and got Special K and I just love this. So I was like, okay, this is my new cereal now. And I either eat the one I have now is the one with the fruit and yogurt, or I usually get the one with the chocolate in it. It's called Chocolatey Delight or something. I don't know. My face is ashy. Y'all, when I tell y'all I went straight to sleep, I didn't even moisturize my face anymore because I was just like, let me go lay down there. Next thing you know, I fell asleep. Okay. No, I gotta get the pink one. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you how I make my cereal. No, I get my cereal, my fruit and yogurt. I'm showing y'all like I don't know how to make cereal or something. Part of my routine. I need to stop because I don't feel like you have enough milk for you. But something I like to do, you guys, I like to put marshmallows, mini marshmallows inside my cereal because it's so good. If you probably if you never tried this before, then you really should try it. It's gonna change your life, okay? Like I just really thought of this one day, like, oh, let me just put it in my cereal, and ever since then I loved it. I wish I had more though. Like, look, I don't even have enough, but whatever. And I just mixed it. But yeah, y'all need to try this. Get some marshmallows and put it in your cereal. And first of all, I love marshmallows. Like I really just eat them by itself sometimes, so that's why I really like it. But yeah, it's really gonna change your cereal. So put some marshmallows in it and let me know how it tastes too. Okay, you guys, now I just finished eating and now I'm about to start doing my makeup, I guess. I don't really put on a lot of makeup for school because it's school. I don't really care about those people. Y'all, I forgot to ask, did y'all go and listen to A Boogie's new little, what is it, mixtape or album that dropped? The what is it called, the Valentine 2.0 or something? Well, he released it on Valentine's Day, but it's called 2.0. I didn't listen to it yet. I'm about to while I'm doing my makeup, so I'm gonna have to fast forward through this part because y'all can't listen to it because I'm gonna get copyrighted. I've been hearing a lot of people say that was good and I really like A Boogie, so we about to get into this and I'm gonna see what the hype is about. So y'all, I just finished my hair. I know I look kind of crazy, but I don't want to take the curls out yet. I want them to stay like this as long as possible until I finish finding something to wear. And until then, I'll just keep it like this and then I'll comb through it when I'm done. But yeah, right now I need to find something to wear. I need to find out what angle to get because sometimes I'll be too low or too high, but I'm new at this or whatever. But yeah, I need to find me something to wear. I don't know what to wear actually, so I'm trying to see right now. So yeah, I found out what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear these jeans, and also I'm gonna wear it with this shirt. It says luxury tax on it. And then I'm gonna wear it with my Uggs. Don't mind the CV is broken, but whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this for my Uggs. so much. This is my first time doing like a whole routine thing, and I've always been inspired to do these, so I hope I did good. I'm kind of nervous to go and watch it back and edit it, but I feel like it turned out great. I hope it did. But thank y'all for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Princess Janay O, and also on Snapchat at Lucinda J. But yeah, you guys, this is my fit. I look good from this ankle, baby. Ooh, I don't need no stylist. Ooh, I don't need no stylist.